The Mountz Flex Power pneumatic screwdrivers increase productivity and enhance product quality through precision torque control and user comfort. Featuring a patented clutch design, the pneumatic screwdrivers deliver reliable accuracy with repeatable torque control. The clutch mechanism shuts off the air supply when the torque setting is reached, preventing over-torque conditions from occurring. These tools provide lower noise decibels than comparative air tools, as well as minimal vibration. The screwdrivers feature a soft texture ergonomic grip for operator comfort. Easy to operate, Mountz offers pneumatic screwdrivers in 3 configurations: inline, pistol grip, and right angle. The pistol grip model features a patented multi-air inlet selection, which provides versatility for an air hose connection. An air hose can be connected from the top, the back, or the bottom of the tool. The tools also include a torque nut cover that protects the tool from incidental or operator tampering of the torque setting. Mountz pneumatic torque screwdrivers are designed for precision torque control and have become the state-of-the-art in innovative assembly. Are you using a reliable pneumatic torque screwdriver to ensure that proper torque is being applied for your application?